Hi. Sawadika. My name is Maggie and my Thai name is Supariya. I am from Bangkok, Thailand. The reason why I wanted to start a yoga teacher training was that I was looking for something deeper than just, like exercise and stretching and all that jazz. Because to me, I find yoga is a practice that is like not just doing hands or like things like that, but it's something in here. My experience with yoga has been, it sparked something inside of me, and I was searching for like, okay, it has to be more than just asana. And coming here was like a miracle because I've met the teacher and the team, and I knew right away that I was meant to be here. At the minute that I walk in the opening circle, my soul was expanding. Yeah, and this place is just so beautiful. It's by the ocean, and then each morning you get to see like the sunrise and hearing the birds chirping during the morning classes. And I don't think I can find anywhere that I wanted to be during this time. And yeah, before it I was like looking for other places as well, but I guess it is just for me. But when I look at the teachers on the website and I like look at their face, like, okay, I feel something here, and then I chose to follow my intuition. And yeah, your heart never fails you, right? So that's why I'm here and just learning so much about yoga, and know that from now on, my practice won't be just only knowing how to stretch my body in a right way, but how to live a life of a yogi and really embody the teaching, like the breathing technique, meditation changed me immensely. And to really like feel that I am expanding every single day here, it's such a like I don't even have a word for that, I think. But yeah, if anyone wants to choose a yoga teacher training, you don't have to look any farther because it's here. This place is the one yoga. Thank you. Namaste.